Hi, I'm Dr. Julia Kaiser, Director of Worthington Optimal Wellness. At Worthington Optimal Wellness, our mission is to inspire and empower you to reach your health goals and full potential. Our center has been in the same location in Worthington for 23 years, assisting our practice members to achieve their goals by putting together all the health and wellness pieces. One of our primary services is state-of-the-art chiropractic care. Using the most current technology in diagnostic and adjusting techniques, the 3 doctors at Worthington Optimal Wellness assist patients in correcting misalignments, balancing posture, and removing pressure from the nervous system, allowing the body to heal.
The 2 big services that I've come for is ongoing chiropractic care, of course, and also massage therapy. There's a massage therapist in the practice that understands injury and also consults with Dr. Kaiser and the other practitioners that really are in the best interest of my health. At the moment that you walk through the door, when you're greeted by the receptionist, they know you by name. You have a conversation with them, and then of course you go and you have your care taken care of by your particular chiropractor. I would tell you that they know me. It feels like my family doctor here at WOW.
I think the greatest benefit of coming to Worthington Optimal Wellness is the holistic approach that the practitioners take and the coordination of effort. So whether I'm doing nutritional cleansing or I'm coming in to get yoga or a particular massage, my chiropractic care, all of the practitioners are talking to each other about my case. It's very personal, it's customized, and I know that whatever it is that's going on is going to be for my own optimal health and wellness.
At Worthington Optimal Wellness, our goal is to help you reach your goals. Whether that goal is improved athletic performance, relief from pain, optimal aging, healthy weight loss, or just being the healthiest you possible, our goal is to help you reach those goals.